What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I feel very bald today because I don't have my lashes on. The reason that I have no lashes on is because I took off my eye makeup and I'm gonna get lash extensions today. I'm wearing the rest of my makeup. I don't know if that's gonna be an issue because I filmed this morning. I literally woke up at like 3 a.m. to film. No, I'm honestly pretty excited. I've never had lash extensions before and I've always wanted to try them, but I've low-key been scared for two reasons. One, I don't know how damaging they are, and two, I am scared that I won't like be able to do different makeup looks, you know? That's the main reasons I haven't done it in the past. But I have a few things coming up where I just want to like kind of have the lashes on and like not have to worry about it, and I feel like it's gonna make my makeup routine a lot quicker. So that's what we're doing today. Honey boo boo child, we are lash extensioning it up.
Why did you wear makeup? They put stickers under your eyes. Your makeup is gonna get ruined.
Well, because I filmed the video this morning, so I just wiped off my eye makeup, but I didn't wipe off like my face makeup because I didn't have time. And I'm going to an event after this.
You're gonna have like stickers under your eyes.
Oh, then me, love that for me when I go to my event after this. Do you guys love how Alyssa was on the phone when I was doing my intro? She was just listening to me.
Also, she's gonna tell you they're not damaging, but they are.
Did you hear that, you guys? And then Alyssa exposing the beauty world. I mean, thanks for telling me this now versus last week when I literally asked you, should I get lash extensions? And you were like, yeah! And then now you're like, oh yeah. They're very damaging. All right, I will see you guys at the lash place. I had to come with no makeup on, so I'm washing off around my eye area now. Oh, that's really pretty.
Watch out, they said I won't see you coming. Bounce out for sure, one blink now we're standing face to face. And I'm hesitant to open, you'll come my direction. I get in ahead of myself. You're smiling cause you know you got my attention. Now it's up to me. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there.
Ooh, you guys, we got our little lash extensions on. I feel like they turned out so nice. So what I asked for was a cat eye shape, not too long. I asked for like medium to long length and a little bit wispy. So I just didn't want them too voluminous and especially not too round because that rounds my eyes out. So I feel like they turned out like perfect. So the place that I went to is called Lashes Deanna, so you guys can check it out. I'll leave her Instagram. She does really good work and they specialize on like that cat eye shape, which is why I wanted to try it there first. And it was actually an interesting process. It took a while. It took about like, I would say 2 hours. And you know me, I was getting antsy in there. I was kind of like, whew, it was hard for me to sit for that long, but you know, obviously I wouldn't want somebody to like rush it either. So I think it's overall good. It kind of just felt like she was like weaving in little like, I guess the extensions onto my natural lashes. You guys probably have like a better perspective actually on what the process was than I do at this point, because obviously I couldn't see what she was doing and I wasn't watching, but that's the finished product. All right, so now I'm actually heading to an event. I might as well just make this a day in the life vlog because I've already kind of filmed part of my day and I want to get back into vlogging so bad. Like I used to vlog all the time. If you've been around for a while, then you definitely know, because I used to do literally like daily vlogs, Vlogmas, all that stuff. And I had a whole separate like vlogging channel, but I just over the past couple of years, you know, gotten so busy that that channel kind of died, but I want to pick it back up again. You know what I mean? I want to get back into the vlog life. I haven't had time to eat and I'm so hungry. It's almost 1 and I'm so hungry. But we're almost to the event. Yes, Haletta. Haletta.
Almond milk.
Just a little almond milk. Okay guys, we're at lunch with Asia and Haletta. I ran into them at the event. It was a very pleasant surprise because I actually didn't know many people there.
Oh, I knew like everyone.
Really?
As a non-beauty influencer, I knew a lot of people there.
I actually didn't know too many, so friendly faces. I'm literally so food deprived right now. I'm so hungry. All right, we're gonna eat. Hi. So I stopped at the mall on the way home. What time is it? 8:56. I have literally been gone for over 12 hours, which is actually insane. But I wanted to show you guys what I got. Well, first of all, I went to Press, which is like my latest obsession, and they had a deal, 6 for $30. You save $18 or something. So I got some juices, citrus 2. I got 3 of the greens too. This is actually my favorite, but I already drank one of them. And then I got the new one, blood orange. Bomb. So I got that, and then I also got a few makeup items. So I got MAC Strip Down and Oak lip pencils. These are just kind of like restocks of some of my faves. I also picked up a new Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk in the shade 6 just because I needed a different shade. All right, and that is it. I love you guys. I hope you like my lash extensions. I don't really know what to do at this point because I know I'm not supposed to wash my, like get them wet for 24 hours. What do I do? Like, how do I shower and how do I wash my face? You know? Anyways, I love you guys. I hope you liked this video and stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn those notifications on. Turn those notifications on. Oh, I just realized I forgot something in the car. Oh my God, I just realized that I forgot to do something. Don't you love when that happens? Anyways, I love you guys. Remember, you are beautiful inside and out. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.